We are a small company. It is with my husband, myself, and Agi, who works for us. And we are not a big chain. We look after our customers and we sell good quality. And we are honest to the people.
I've been doing this for 40 years, so I go out and I look for the soil pipes in the wrong place. I look for the water mains being directly in line where the dishwasher is. I look at the ceiling height, I look at the electrics, I look at water pressure, for instance. And then we then know that we've got a good 95% chance that we're going to get everything right. If there is any issues, you can just go, right, this is how we solve it.
We work with 2 installers. One of them is German, the other one is English. We trust them and they turn our kitchens into beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kitchens.
It's a small team and they're all clearly very enthusiastic about what they do. He basically did the whole kitchen in a week and was done very well.
Throughout the whole process, it was never a problem if I wanted to make any changes, and just really quick, neat, and just very pleasant to have around. Honestly, a joy to deal with and a really lovely kitchen that I'm so happy with.